Hi, so I've been away for a while, didn't have a chance to make any videos for YouTube. That's because I've been really busy in my personal life. But today I've decided to make this video, and this video is about unboxing the DJI Mic 2, which I have decided to pull the trigger and purchase this expensive DJI Mic, which I really hope will improve my sound quality on my channel. And because at the moment I'm using the Rode Video Mic Pro, which it does very good job, but sometimes if I'm recording from, if the camera is a bit far from me, I don't think the sound quality will be really good. So I've decided to buy this DJI Mic, which is a wireless microphone, and I really hope this will gonna work and hopefully to use it more often than Rode Video Mic Pro. So let's unbox this DJI Mic 2 and let's have a look what's inside the box. And this video is all about this DJI Mic, and basically I'm unboxing this box. If you don't have the DJI Mic 2 and you don't know what's in the box, well, I don't know what's in the box either. So we're gonna look together what's inside this box. So yeah, let's have a look. So I got my knife here. I'm gonna try to be really careful. As usual, the box quality looks pretty good, same as every DJI product. So again, it's brand new from Amazon. Cost me £309. So let's unbox this DJI Mic 2. So I've took off this green film, and let's have a look what's inside the box now. Let's have a look from which side. All right, here you go. So here you go, what's coming. Oh, nice. So it's very nice to have this little bag, this little DJI bag. This is silica, which I don't need it. So now let's have a look what's in this bag. I'm gonna put this one away so I don't distract you from this video. So let's have a look what's in this bag now. Okay, well, it's pretty interesting. That's it. So I got here cable. Got cable for the camera, which I guess I'm gonna have to put this cable to the DJI Mic and then in my camera. What else I got here? I think they called cats. I got 2 of them, if I'm not wrong. And again, I got silica gel, silica in one of the pocket. And again, I got another cable, which is USB Type-C. I believe this to charge the DJI Mic 2. Now let's have a look finally in this case. Looks solid. I think this is metal, which I think the quality is pretty outstanding. There you go. So press to unlock. Probably will need to peel this one off. So we're gonna peel this one off. Here you go. And press to unlock. Well, oh, nice. So that's the DJI Mic, and looks. I got 2 dots which seems need to be charging, so I need to put them on charge. And let's have a look. See, take this one off. So it looks like it's magnetic. So if we're gonna put very close, it will. Well, as it's magnetic, we'll try to go like in the place. Same as the demons. They look really small and kind of fragile as well. There you go, I've got 2 of them. So I believe you're gonna turn it on from here. They look pretty interesting, pretty nice as well. I got another cable here. I guess all of them are the adapters. So let's take this one off, put it on the side. It's asking me to choose a language. So as you can see here, It's asking the language, English. It's asking the date. So we're gonna put, what date today is? Just give me a second. Yes. So it's 20. Well, I'll miss that. Okay, so let's have a look. So here it's kind of small menu. So receive settings, transmitter settings, brightness, language, date and time, factory reset, what else, version, info, what's this, compliance info. Looks pretty interesting. I think this one looks quite light. It's not as heavy as I was expecting. So, well, let's put this one on the side and let's have a look at them ones. So here you go, the DJI Mic 2. So I've got this, which goes on top of the camera. Them ones you're gonna have to attach to yourself when you're talking. As I said, I'm pretty new to this, so I'll need to probably to test it and probably make another video about them. But so far, I'm really happy with the quality. And I got another, them ones, I don't know, they are for charging. Probably I'll have to read the manual. I haven't seen the manual. Oh, here you go. So I got the manual as well in the box. So that's pretty much what I've got in the box. Got Type-C USB cable, 2 cats, put them aside. I got the cable which goes from this to the camera, if I'm not wrong, and a little bag, which is really handy to have a little bag. Honestly, it's good to have such a bag, so I can put this one in this bag and that don't damage it. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you're happy and you like this video, feel free to subscribe, thumbs up as well. Any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll try to reply back as soon as possible to you. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you next one.